Well, of course it starts raining. To demonstrate. Not that I know what I'm doing. I'm dumb enough to do it. And smart enough if I get stuck, I'll just pay someone. But disconnecting the shielding, took out the motor. Oops, that's on the ground over there. Can you see that? Yeah. Disconnected the fan, and we're gonna remove this and test fit the wing. Not bad for a test fit. So it's a different day. I took that down to the paint shop. That one's got the car cover on it because the problem we have in Hawaii is geckos and they're pooping all over the car. So since I'm not driving it this week. And my new truck. Actually, I love this thing. It's really hard to park, but it came just in time. Like you saw, I had to stuff that giant box. Post office wouldn't deliver it. They knocked on my door on my birthday and said, "Oh, we can't deliver it. There's an extra fee because it's oversized." And I was like, damn it. So, fit in the back of the truck easy. And the wing, this is how big the truck is. The wing is almost as wide as the Porsche. It fits in the trunk of the bed easy. Now the wing is supposed to be painted and ready in just a few days, and a few days after that I have one more racing event for the car. This one is through the Porsche Club, so that'll be cool. I look forward to seeing that, and I'll post another video. Oh my god, the sun is in my eye. I haven't played with this toy in a while, so yeah. You see that one in the background? Still no wing, waiting. 2 more days.